Hi, friends, and welcome to another episode of Sunday. Today, we're going to discuss another formula, and that is unique, quite literally unique. We tend to have lots of raw data, and sometimes you want to remove duplicates from the data uh, and end up using remove duplicates or using pivots to kind of manipulate the data. Slight disadvantage of that is it's increasing or you're messing up with some of the raw data over there. Um, and that's if you would like to avoid that, this is where the unique formula comes into play. I have a table here which shows all the product sales and product categories, etc., sold in each quarter. But I want to know what are my unique product categories in this case. So instead of removing duplicates, as we see it in the data tab, and use the option of remove duplicates, uh, we're going to use the unique formula to know exactly which of these are the product categories. So I've used the unique formula, selected my column, and that's it. It shows me all the unique values of a column. If you would like to use it for multiple columns, you can use that the same way as well. Just use the unique formula, select the couple of columns, and that's it. You'll get unique values against each of the columns, and you have it there. I hope you found this useful. Take care and have a good day. See you next Sunday.